Look at this chart. All right, we're going to see what's going on here, what kind of price targets we're looking for, and see how high Calamari could go here with this move. All right, let's go over to coin market cap first and take a look at the market cap. The market cap is up 8.44% at 17.1 million. Look at the volume. 59% up 1.6 at $1.6 million. This thing's at a low market cap. This is the ones that you like. This thing could you could get a 50x out of this thing. Let's take a look here. All right, $17 million market cap. Let's take a see what a 50x would put us at. 17,113,035 times a 50x would put us at slash 1 2 3 $855 million. 855 million for 50x. Absolutely, I believe that is possible. All right, especially with a bull run coming up. Absolutely 100% possible. Now, do I believe Bitcoin's going to have a major pullback here? I do. Okay, so we'll see how that affects the altcoins here, but I truly believe Bitcoin's going to pull down to about $32,000. It's going to have a little bit of a retrace here. Up to a 618 fib. If you want to see my Bitcoin video, I'll be putting that out shortly and give you some stuff to keep an eye out for. But a 50x for this thing, $855 million, that's still under $1 billion. A 50x, all right, so if you took, let's say you had, I don't know, say you put $5,000 in this thing, $5,000, times 50. There's $250,000. It's going to at least, and not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but at least a 25x is almost, in my mind, in my personal opinion, a 25x is almost a guarantee. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you really got to be realistic. This thing is doing very, very well. Calamari. It's picking up some steam. It's ranked number 806 right now. That's because the market cap has a total supply of 10 billion tokens. That's not outrageous. I'd like to see the circulating supply a little bit higher. I thought I read something about a burn or something with this. If you guys know something about that, please put it in the comments. I could have swore somebody said that the whole circulating supply was out or something. Yeah, so I believe there's a little bit of discrepancy with that. All right, let's go over here to this news that came out today. Calamari Network surges, cancel that, 53% following Mana announcements. All right. Calamari Network, a protocol closely linked to Mana Network, reported double-digit growth following several partner announcements. Calamari Network holds a market cap of 26 million. Value derived by multiplying the token price with the circulating supply of tokens, which currently stands at 4 billion tradable tokens. All right, with a 53.3% surge in the last 24 hours and a 78.8% increase in the last 7 days, KMA demonstrates superior performance compared to the global crypto market, which is experiencing a decline of 4.7%. Simultaneously, KMA is outperforming similar zero-knowledge cryptos, which show an increase of 6.9%. Calamari Network is recognized as a plug-and-play privacy preservation protocol for the entire DeFi stack on Kusama, and as a result has a close link to Mana Network on Polkadot. As retweets made by the official X account indicated, two significant announcements on the Mana Network were likely to have a trickle-down effect on the Calamari Network. We aim to become the largest lending market on Mana Network. Farm Zero and future Mana drops by lending and borrowing. All right, so Zero Land launches on Mana Network. We go down, namely the introduction of the new Binance Launchpad for Mana and the unveiling of Mana Network as the modular Layer 2 solution for Zero ZK apps. Exploring, okay, yeah, so there you go. Things are looking definitely good here, right? Following man announcements, Calamari Network. Good deal. All right, if we go over here to CoinGlass, we had 24-hour liquidations at 100 million. Not a whole lot, down 1.82%. Open interest is still pretty high at 39.3 billion. 24-hour volume for the crypto market is $94.216 billion. All right, so that's a little low too. All right, if we come over here, I just want to give a shout out to the members. They deserve this. These guys support this channel, and I can't thank you enough. All right, we got Andy, Jason, Trapper, Lib, Ryan, Franny, Noted Trader, Will, Falconeer, Benji, Jay, Host Thinkin, Will Hammer, Karat, Prepping for Beginners, Eyes Wide Open, FMK, Thomas, Kevin, Somonex, Blue Safari, Christian, Dez, Zozo. I can't pronounce this, I apologize. Mike, Will DeFi, Spinzy Productions, West Splash, Ruben, Rowdy Man, a super supporter. Thanks a lot, man. Ferme de la Plague, Cuz for real. How you like my French there? Frankie Parsons, Jumpman Crypto, Rated RAR, Miss Kendall, Jim P, another super supporter. Thanks a lot, Jim. Yanni, Undead, Love and Z, FLL, Daniel Petmeyer, Azirius, Joliet Leisman, Detroit Custom Painter, another super supporter. Thanks, Adam. Paul, Baja, Julian, Israel. Baja's been here for 5 months. I don't know why you'd be down here. He's been here a long time. That should be up top. I apologize. I should have clicked total time as a member. Yeah, Baja's been here a while. Julian, Israel, Enoch, Robert, Tolick, Matt, Rachel, Tom, Bob, Jamie, Stopa, LB Crypto, Dylan, Chris, Let's Get Nined, and Lenny. I think we have 63 members now, guys. A lot of these level 3 trading memberships, if you're interested, guys, 8 hours of videos, 18 videos to give you a jump start trading. Okay, it teaches you a lot of the stuff that you need to know. How to look for price targets, how to know when to sell, how to look for the next 100x cryptos. Everything is in there. 8 hours worth of stuff, okay, for 15 bucks. That's a steal. I wish I could have got that when I was looking for there we go, there's Baja, you're back up here, buddy. When I was looking for trading classes, I'm a small YouTuber, all right, so I got to generate some income. 15 bucks. If I can help you guys change your lives or contribute to your trading, then that's a win for me for sure. All right, so if you're interested, please go check it out. Here's the crypto bubbles, the top 100 for the day. Got a little bit of green out there, but got a lot of red too. All right, Bitcoin's just kind of playing around, going sideways here. Expecting a bounce up towards that 46, and that could be it. We'll see. We got that weekly RSI on that thing getting pretty high, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. Now, Calamari. Let's open this chart up and take a look at this thing. All right, we got obviously a pretty nice bounce here within the last week. This thing, from the bottom up here, that's 119%. That's a pretty good move. All right, now if we take a fib and put on here, you can see we are right up in those levels. Okay, that 702 is a very crucial area right up through here. Okay, so you want to see a break, obviously, up here of the 0.0073. You want to see that break. Okay, absolute for sure. All right, now let's take a look at some RSIs and see what's going on here. The 4-hour is correcting. It looks like it's trying to turn back up here. It tried one time and then rolled over right through here. It got that push up and then it rolled over again here. Now it's trying to push back up again. The 8-hour, I apologize, as soon as it loads up here. There we go. The 8-hour is right at the top. It's at a 90 and an 89. Almost ready to flip over here. Okay, you got a red candle. The 12-hour is still heading up at a 93 and an 83. And the daily's just starting up here. All right, so yeah, you could have a pullback here, but I would expect a pretty decent bounce after that. You got a very solid trend line coming up here. Let me extend this out a little bit, okay? As long as it keeps following this trend line, if it comes back and bounces off it, it's still in an uptrend here, okay? We do need to get a higher high here, all right? We had this high, this low. So far we have a lower high, all right? We want to get a higher high out of here, so we definitely want to take out that 0.0073, okay, to get up out of here. Now we got that daily turning up here. It's bullish. It's at a 41 and a 26, and a weekly. The weekly's right at the top at a 89 and a 93. All right, so definitely want to see a break of this area here. I think we're going to get a decent push out of this thing. The monthly is at a 100 and a 96 right at the top here also. All right, but with this daily reset, I'm expecting a push up out of this thing, okay? We got, it only looks like maybe a wave 1 and a 2. Could be working on a possible third wave here. But like I said, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing, you want to keep an eye right up here. Yeah, it's 786. You know, is a big level up here, 0.007055. You know, if we get up there again and then end up breaking that 0.0073, I believe we're going to take out this high over here. Okay, but we need to get these RSIs turned back up here. This 4 hour is trying to see if we get any bullish divergence here. Boy, it's really trying to turn back up. Got that high, and we kind of got a lower high here. All right, we got that low and a lower higher. Let me see here. That one higher low, 12 hour. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye on it, guys. If you were looking for pullback areas with this thing, if it does pull back, you know, I would take, let's see here. Get this off here. I would go from your swing low down here to the top. Usually a 618 or 702 is a good bounce area. That 618 is right down here. Let's see here. That's right on a support level. Right down here at 0.005366. That's where your 618 is at. Your 702 is down here, 0.005151. Them are very good bounce areas. All right. If this gets a pullback down to that area, keep a super close eye on those numbers. I'll move them over here a little bit. There we go. The blue, the green, and the light blue. Them should be your bounce areas if you get a pullback. Keep a very close eye on them, okay? Might get a pullback down to them levels and a bounce. All right. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you very soon. Please hit the like and subscribe.